Welcome back. We're picking up where we left off with the installation of the electrical panel. The electrical panel itself was a significant investment and has necessitated slowing a bit of my acquisition of additional equipment. A couple of pieces that I have been able to put in are, number one, this unit right here. This is a 50 amp SPA GFCI breaker. This will protect me in case of a short in the electrical system. That breaker, of course, is powered from our 240 volt outlet here and then goes on to power the electrical panel, which you see is fully operational now. We're starting to see some temperatures registered there on our temperature probes. The probes, which are these wires out the bottom, run to my vessels. That red one runs to the boil kettle on a nice triclover fitting. The blue one runs to the mash tune, and the white one to the hot liquor tank. Those will need to be attached via probes that go into the valves on the outlet ports of those two kettles. And those valves and some additional hosing, this would be fiber reinforced silicone hose, are on order, and we expect those to take delivery sometime in the coming week. After that, what remains will be the installation of pumps and a work chiller on this bottom shelf here. I expect that I'll be able to make those acquisitions yet in the month of August and should be able to have a working brewery up and running in the first or second week of September. So thanks for watching. Tune in again and we'll give you more progress. Thanks.